Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can auto scroll on your Instagram Reels. So first of all, just open up the Instagram application. You go to this reel section. So you go to this reel section. Instead of just playing this video in loop, you won't need to auto scroll just automatically after the video ends. Well, let me tell you that on the Instagram app officially there isn't a direct way that you can actually do that. But there is still a way you can do without using your hands on your phone. So for this what you actually have to do is open your mobile settings on your iPhone. So on the iPhone you have to go to your phone setting and then you can just simply search for accessibility. In accessibility you can search for voice control, then turn on voice control. Now once you turn on voice control on your iPhone and then just open up your Instagram application again. Now come to Reels and you will find the microphone option in the top left corner. It means your iPhone is listening to you. Now you just want to simply command to your iPhone. When you let your iPhone know, like swipe up, and it will swipe up. Instagram basically swipe up itself. Now automatically it cannot scroll, but if you tell swipe up, then of course it's going to scroll itself. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how you can auto scroll Instagram Reels on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.